select your category. Please enter your details. Put your finger for registration. Please take your photo.
Photography or videography without permission is strictly prohibited. Mobile phones are not allowed inside the battery area. Smoking is not permitted except in designated smoking areas.
Please answer these questions. Congratulations! Please print your permit or email to save paper. Please enter your email ID. Please print your permit or email to save paper. Thank you for using Safety Training Kiosk. Visit again.